I remember wandering through Taiwan's Shilin night market, amazed by the energy and the endless rows of food stalls. Then came that first bite of extra large fried chicken. Crispy, juicy, perfection. Today, we're bringing that unforgettable taste back to our kitchen. We're gonna recreate Taiwanese extra large fried chicken in just 25 minutes. Welcome to our new series of 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. Butterfly the chicken breast. Put a piece of plastic wrap over the chicken breast to prevent splattering and cross-contamination. Then use the back of a knife to pound it until it is flat. Transfer the chicken breast to a large mixing bowl and marinate it with soy sauce, rice wine, 5-spice powder, white pepper, and garlic. Set aside while preparing the other ingredients. If you have more time, marinate the chicken for longer. In a small bowl, mix together the seasonings, salt, 5-spice powder, white pepper, and paprika. Set this aside for later. In a mixing bowl, mix together the cornstarch and eggs. Whisk until thoroughly combined. Take the marinated chicken breast and coat it in the cornstarch and egg mixture. On a different plate, add some thick sweet potato starch. This is available in all Chinese supermarkets and also on Amazon. You can also replace it with additional cornstarch. After that, dip the coated chicken into the sweet potato starch for an extra crispy layer. In a pot over medium-high heat, pour the cooking oil into it. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado oil, grapeseed oil, or peanut oil. Heat it to about 335 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. Carefully add the coated chicken into the hot oil and fry until golden brown and fully cooked through, which takes about 8 minutes. Carefully remove it from the oil. And just like that, we brought a taste of Taiwan's night market right into our kitchen. Crispy, juicy, and full of flavor. To level up the experience, pair with my Taiwanese boba milk and click here for the recipe. That was absolutely delicious. You can hear how crispy and crunchy it is, and the inside so tender and so juicy. Comment below and share with us your favorite style of fried chicken. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye!